walk away from me. Don't walk away. Taser, taser. Taser, one taser.
God, please help me. My Father, please help me, Father. I know you're pulling me to the right. I got you.
Relax.
It's okay. I'm not. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not.
Yeah, you are what you're saying.
I'm not resisting.
Like who you are?
I completely submitted to you. I promise. I promise, God. Just get the stuff on that one. You can release your pressure.
It's gonna hurt because you stopped resisting. Put your arm out behind you. There you go. Bring it behind you. There you go.
Thank you. I'm comfortable now.
What happened?
He wasn't paying attention and listening.
He just took off.
Well, I tried to physically restrain him.
What's your
48.
Chinese cuff?
Then he decided to walk away. Tased him. The first tasing didn't work, and neither did the second.
49 Bravo, Yankee J, Alpha 10 J, YJ,
Bring it.
Conform.
Let's take off.
Grab your taser.
Pros out.
Try to get him up, get him out of the road. Let's go sit him. Can we behave now?
Yes.
Okay, bring your knees up. We're gonna roll you so you can stand, okay? Alright.
Thank you so much for helping me. I didn't know who I was lost. You did find me.
27, what's the reference?
Can you stand up? And I'm gonna walk you so you're not in the middle of the street, okay?
Can I just take a couple breaths?
Yeah, take a couple breaths.
My heart's really pounding right now. It's the first time I've ever had to run like that or experience it.
But why? You didn't even need to.
I'm sorry. I know.
There's no need for that.
I lost control of myself and I forgot who I was.
Just drag him up over. We'll put him over in the shade.
I apologize. Can you please forgive me for everything I've done to
Okay,
you?
go ahead and stand up. We're gonna walk over here and sit down, okay? We're just gonna get out of the road.
I can't see without sunglasses.
Okay, we got you.
I need my sunglasses
We'll get them back for you.
and my hat, please.
All right, we will.
I wear sunglasses.
Go ahead and sit. Sit. Sit.
There you go.
Cross your feet. We'll let you run.
Thank you.
Here, have a big.
Can you guys please forgive me for what I did?
No.
Oh, you stole
Well-
something, and then you didn't want to listen to me. So no.
You made me believe.
I am sorry.
You're on a video taking stuff from a store,
I
right?
thought it was okay. My father.
Why would you think it was
I
okay?
didn't take anything. I was told the law is by my father, John, that
73, come on.
I can have things respectfully
Everything
that
go
I
ahead?
need. And all the
1664.
store
Well, you
people,
don't need a lighter in a cigar, though.
I know.
That's not a need.
This is my first
Right.
time on Earth, and I didn't know that. I was testing myself, and I was scared
My car out of the way.
of you guys. I thought I was doing something wrong back there, so
Wait.
I was confused, and I'm sorry for
Okay.
not listening to you. I will
Okay.
never not do what you say again.
Okay, well, just let's
I've
keep
learned
going
my
with
lesson.
that.
I've learned my lesson. I promise.
Okay.
You never will see anything like that from me.
I
again.
hope not.
From now into eternity, please forgive me and accept my apology and know that I'm gonna do
Did you
what I
forgive
said.
him, Gus? Do you want to go get your thingy?
What's up, T?
Your puller? Go get your puller, because that one's in. Oh, actually, where'd Scotty go?
Scotty just left.
No, he moved his car
Where did he move his car to?
out of the middle of the road, 'cause that's where it was, so other cars could get by. That's all.
Which way did he go to?
Oh, he's coming back. He just went to go park away from here.
So he's coming this way?
Yep, he'll be coming back. You can apologize to him too,
Tell him.
because he ran him over.
Will you please ask him that I'm trying to finish my walk to see my family so I can free them from
Okay.
this old law that I did. It's all my fault. They are very
We're gonna take a look, because you got a couple of
Please
some
forgive me.
taser shots there, buddy.
I'm not perfect. I do make mistakes, but there's things I can't unchange.
Where do your
After
hits
I
go?
created-
Just the back that
That's
didn't
why
do anything?
Josh
None of-
Flash
neither.
is doing this so I can
There's
come
two
in
prongs
and
there. There's the other one.
fix it.
I hit him twice.
All of
Yeah.
the problems are fixed.
Neither one.
You alright, buddy?
Healed. Leave the hospital, Tim. Come to your family, please. Brent
Get an idea
wants
of
to
this
see
guy?
you one day.
No, I
Not
was
yet.
getting his
Didn't have an
information
idea on him.
He was giving it to me
Psycho crazy.
until I asked him to sit down.
Do you have a wallet on you or anything?
No.
Do you carry any money at all?
No, that's
Is that
fine.
why you were just taking stuff?
No, I don't. Everything,
But you did.
there is a debt to my people.
Okay.
I'm part of the people.
Gotcha.
God told me they are paying my debt, and I was just debt collecting at will. I didn't think I was still doing anything wrong. Apparently, this is the old world way. Still down here, but not anymore because I have fixed it, and they all have forgiven me. Thank you. I can't feel a lot of love right now, but please show me all your love.
What's your name, bud?
Bob Marley.
What is, what is it for real?
Brent didn't want to listen, Stutz.
I drove down. I'm like, is he walking away? Is he tasing him? I'm like, is he still
like,
walking
what
through
is
the
going
taser?
on?
And then I had to pass him, and then I had to tackle him.
Yeah. Oh,
When I
Have
gave
you
him
been
a walk
arrested
on the
before,
car.
Brent?
I have been arrested, yes.
For what?
The first time they told me it was for
Why don't we go through every time? The first time was for
second degree robbery or something like that, or
something like that.
where was that?
Oh, wow.
in Charleston.
Charleston.
What's the second one?
I got picked up by the police because I was acting crazy in the street, and they took me to jail.
Yeah. When was this?
They didn't tell me a charge. They didn't ask me a question. Then they were asking for my ID, and I just went into this mode of.
Okay. What's the third time?
Like
I went into survival mode.
Right.
where In my survival school training, when we're being tortured, the only thing
Okay,
I'm
what's the
allowed
third
to
time?
say is my name, date,
What's the third
and
time? Third
social
one.
security number.
What was your third arrest?
This one right here.
Okay. So the first one was burglary / robbery.
When
Where
they
was
said
that
something
located?
at the store, the guy was like, I was scared of him because he seemed a
How did
little
it get
off.
adjudicated?
Oh, yeah.
How did it come out?
There's your
What?
little
I
off.
finally
Baker
saw the
act.
way, and they
Well,
set me free.
Well, it's not, I mean, now it's too late.
Yeah.
And their way, God's way and their way, they set me free.
Did you hit on something, or did you just the way you...
You landed weird on him.
The way he landed.
I feel fine, guys. Like I can really.
Oh, well, great. Glad you're okay. Appreciate that.
So I see him walking.
Pull that up real quick.
Yeah. I already took pictures of it.
Before they get to it.
You down here with anybody, Brent?
Just myself right now.
Where you
I
staying?
have some friends, some family around.
Where you
So I see
staying?
him
I'm staying at the mansion down at the street.
on the other side of the corner.
It was a weird jog. It's probably on my body cam. He's just like dance jogging in the street, away from Gus, ignoring everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then he gets tased and he just throws his hands up and then just kept going.
You say he fucked up to you.
Oh, you'll see it.
What did he do?
Right up in my face. Straight up in my
Yeah,
face.
I'm still going.
Do it. You're not gonna stop me. Aggressively. Clenched fists.
So there's enough for assault on LEO.
Yeah.
So the charge would be assault LEO
No resisting.
and whatever else.
And the reason for the stop was for
Well, theft.
there was a theft. They only wanted a trespass warning. Gus went out with them and then all that happened.
Pop them in the opposite way if we stub the needles.
Watch the needles on them right there, yeah.
Just give them a little isopropyl.
One right
One
in
drop
the
of
street.
saline and then just write that down.
Wasn't it 100 down there? I feel like it was 100.
No, 160.
Are you hurt?
No. Stand over here.
166 was
I'm not hurt.
What's up, Lucy? I'll talk to you
Going to
soon.
jail.
Just taking care of some stuff. Love you, girl.
Jackass.
Bitch! You better not talk to me like that. I'll beat you down.
Yeah, that's helping.
That's pretty incredible. He got tased like
He's on something. Where did she go? That she looked like she knew him. The girl that just walked in. Oh, okay. She walked back over. Does he work here?
No, he does not, but she knows him from somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah.
What did he do 10 years ago? What circumstances was that?
He just a friend of friends.
Friend of friends.
Yeah, I met him through when I first moved in here.
And what was his disposition like then?
Brett.
Brett?
2 T's. I don't know. Who
Yeah.
knows? He thinks he's Jesus.
But I haven't seen him in years. I thought he moved away.
What was he like when you knew him? No, you can speak free because we're trying to understand his disposition anyway. Seems a little off. Likes to what?
Likes to party a little over. Just a lot. It's not really.
Likes his recreational drugs?
I don't know.
If you had the ganger?
I wouldn't assume anything.
You don't have to assume he's acting a little crazy. Would you consider that something that would be choices he would make?
Maybe. He was liked to drink a lot when I met him years ago, but
What did he do when he was trying to?
I don't remember. He did a lot of photography. Like I said, I'm more of an acquaintance, but he's not a friend of mine. You need me at the inside or at the end.
Okay, so she didn't have a lot to add to anything.
What about his name and stuff?